Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video, we will discuss about one of the most well-known publisher, that is Nature. And we all know that this playlist is about the different courses and certified courses that are free and everyone can have access on those courses. So this is another important video regarding those certified courses. And the good thing of this video is that the main provider of these kind of certificates is Nature. So Nature is a very good publisher and different journals are under this publisher category. So you can earn your certificate by completing courses from Nature Master classes. So here, as you can see, like the course that is focus on peer review, you can learn more about what is peer review process and how you can complete those peer review process, and what kind of requirements and qualities, and what kind of information do you have to know about before going to the peer review process, and how to submit, and what kind of requirements from journal sites are there for inviting you as a peer reviewer for their papers. So all these information will be covered in this topic, that is focus on peer review, and these kind of certificates will be provided to you from the Nature or Springer Nature. So it would be very good for you if you take these kind of courses. Another important course that is free from Nature Master classes is research integrated, like publication ethics. So you will learn a lot about publication ethics, like ethical approval, conflict of interest, and all these things, author agreement, author publishing agreement, and author contribution, and some other kind of ethical approval that you have to take from your university if you are conducting any animal based study or research project. So all these kind of information about publication ethics you can learn easily while taking this course. So I must suggest you to take these online courses, and they are free now, and there is no specific deadline for those courses, but they generally the time period for these courses is generally for this course it is about nearly 7.5 hours, or nearly you can say like 8 hours, and for this course it is 3.5 hours learning. So you can earn both certificates on the same day, like you can complete those both courses on the same day. There is nothing to worry about. It will improve your knowledge about the publication, writing, and peer reviewing the paper. And it is very good for you if you write in your CV and in online record that you have completed these online courses. And if the provider is Nature Master classes or Springer Nature, I must suggest to you to enroll for these courses. Now the question here is that how you can enroll for these courses. For this you have to go to the Google, and you can write Nature Master classes on the Google, and when you write this, first link will appear to you, and when you click on this link, you need to register for the first time if you are a new user, because I already have an account on this site. So I log into my Nature Master classes. So if you are a new user, you need to register for the first time by adding your mail ID, your first name and surname, and maybe they will ask about the area of study as well. So after that you need to scroll down from here, and these are different courses that you can see. Some courses are paid on demand online courses, and for that you have to pay money in dollars, but they are very costly if you are a Pakistani or some Indian, they will be costly for you if you take these online courses. But if you can afford, you can also take on demand online courses by paying them their fee. And if you want to take some live workshop, you can also take that, but here we will go to the free courses only. So here you need to click on view all courses, and when you click on view all courses, these courses will appear to you. And if you click on any of these courses, for example, if I click on these courses, and then it will show me for this we have to buy a subscription, or we have to pay the money for earning the certificate. Okay, so this is a paid course. And if you are The time duration for this course is 10 hours of learning, and there will be 4 module in this course, but we are not going to take this because it will be paid. We will go to only free courses. So here we will select an option of write and publish, because our main concern is regarding writing and publishing the paper. So here you can see this first course, focus on peer review. It is free, like you can earn your certificate free of cost. You can learn about peer review process, and when you click on this, it will show the details, like here 3.5 hours of learning and 10 minutes of like lesson, and 4 module will be in this course. And here when you complete the course, you can download your certificate from here. And if you are a new user to this course, you can see an option of a start course. Okay, so you can start course from there, and then after after listening to modules and after completing the exercises and after answering the quizzes, you can complete the survey at the end, and then you can earn the certificate, and they will also send the certificate on your mail ID as well. Okay, so this is a free course offered by Springer. And you can also search some other free courses like this one, publication ethics, research integrity. This is also a free course. You can complete this course as well by clicking on this, and you can enroll for this course. And after, you can see an option of start course on this site, rather than download course certificate, because I already completed this one, that's why it is showing download course certificate. But if you are a new user, you can see an option of start course, and you can easily start your course. And after once you complete your module, like there will be 3 module in this course, and it will be 8 hours of learnings. It will include some video lectures and some quizzes and some exercises for you for improving your knowledge. So it would be good for you if you complete both these courses. And if you are interested in some other paid courses as well, here you can click on reveal more to see some more other like courses. And if you are interested in learning about writing a research paper, then you can take these paid courses as well, because they are not free, they will be paid. And similarly, here you can like develop your career. You can select any category, and you can see if there will be any free courses on these category available or no. And you can click on like work with others. So according to your field of study and your interest, you can select free courses if they are available. Otherwise, you can, if you want to learn by paying them, by taking online courses, you can reserve your booking with them by paying some advance and some money at the end of the course, I think. Then in this way you can also take the paid courses, and it would be good for you if you earn certificate, paid certificate from those Springer or Nature Master classes. So this is all about today's video, and I hope you will also be also take step to enroll for these courses. And it will really help. It is really helpful in improving your CV, improving your knowledge regarding the publication, regarding the writing research paper and peer reviewing the paper. And I must suggest to take these courses and earn certificate for free until and unless they will make these free courses as paid one. So try to enroll today and earn your certificate, and mention them in your CV or resume that you have completed these courses from Nature Master Classes Springer Nature, and it would be really helpful for you and for your career as well. So in coming videos we will discuss some more interesting and free courses. So until then, Allah Hafiz.